Storms are rolling in.
Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Wednesday to you all. Wednesday 26th of August 2026. And it's day 192 of the Chilli grow up. They're in the back garden. It's about 11 in the morning. We need to get them watered and fertilised right away. We got storms coming in, so we need to make sure they're all okay. Get them all watered and fertilised. They're under the big tree. They have enough shelter, hopefully, and we'll see what happens. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful week. Hopefully you're all set and prepared for this storm as well. Bring Lucy on. We're ready, aren't we, kiddo? Yeah? Let's do this. Let's get them the nutrients they need. Let's start day 192. Happy Wednesday, Lucy. Are you ready for your egg? Yes, okay. Can I get a pull? Thank you very much. Enjoy. Smaller plants. These are sweet banana. And their little Carolina Reaper. And then our little ghost peppers. Look at these. Looking great. Those ones there. Beautiful. Make sure they're all set and sorted. Got our Mirch Masalas at the back here. I think that's all of them. Zebrange. Some peppers coming through there, look. And here's our little Cayenne. As you can see, we got some coming through now. Beautiful. Dreamcatchers next. Here's another one. They're looking great, aren't they? Lots of new peppers coming through. And here is a Kashmiri Mirch. Looking great. Lots of peppers starting. And here's another. Looking good. And this is a Mirch Masala. And you see all these, look. Beautiful stuff. Coming along nicely. And of course our Buena Mulata. Lovely, lovely. And our other Buena Mulata. Here's that Cayenne from yesterday with the overhanging peppers. So what we'll do, we'll make sure we water away from them. Okay, here's a Scotch Bonnet MOA. Beautiful, beautiful. And here's an Armageddon. Just starting to get some there. Here's a habanero or bushy. Look at all that going on. Beautiful. There's one. Just excellent. Here's a Cayenne. Mirch Masala. Scotch Bonnet MOA. Kashmiri Mirch. Overwintered Cayenne. Here's a Poblano. Picked all the peppers off them already. Carolina Reaper. Oh, they're just starting to show, look. And Zebrange. Look at all them. And here's a Cayenne. Lovely, should be turning very, very soon. Here's our Jalapeño. Most of them have been picked. Got a couple there, look. There we go. Wish I grew more. Here's a Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Looking lovely. And our black jalapeno. Looking great. There's another one here. And another one here. Let's just get them all watered. Here's our Armageddon. Beautiful. And the ghost peppers. Here's our other Armageddon. Just loaded. And our Carolina Reaper. There it is, first one. Just perfect. Here's a Zebrange. Lovely, lovely. And here's a Poblano. Picked them all already. Here's another Zebrange. Some lovely ones growing there. Carolina Reaper. Nothing on that one yet. And here's another Cayenne. Looking lovely. Yeah. Here's another Reaper. Looking good. And here's a Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Starting to turn there. And here's another one. And here we have a large orange tie. Perfect. And at the back here is another Tabasco there. Perfect. Another Tabasco there. Go. Here's a ghost pepper. And look, finally, starting to turn colour. Not rotten. Beautiful. Here's another Tabasco. Got the two here together. Look at all of it. If all these bloom, should have a lot, ever such a lot. Here's a habanero. There they are. And another. Beautiful stuff. There's another large orange tie. There we go. Wonderful. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey there. Here's our Zimbabwe Black. Carolina Reaper. And here's our little Cayenne in the little pot. Looking good. So there we go, all wrapped up, all fed, all watered, all back under the tree, ready to ride this storm out. Let's just see what happens, eh? I think they'll be fine. They're gonna have to be. Alright, let's wrap the day up, shall we, kid? Let's wrap the day up. Yeah. Thank you all so much. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's gonna throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a great Wednesday. Hopefully this storm doesn't affect you too much. And we'll see you all tomorrow. See you Thursday. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.